had a domestic violence issue. My husband was hitting me and he tried to kill me.
The caller provided her location and said her husband was still inside the apartment and might harm himself because he did not want to go back to prison.
You said he's possibly hurting himself?
Yes, he's been in prison before, and he didn't want me to call the police.
What would he be hurting himself with, do you know?
It's probably maybe just a knife to cut himself or something.
Did he say anything about hurting himself?
He just said he's not going back to prison.
It's a little bit of a barricade here. Yeah.
Try to get that over.
Five David 11.
Hey, Brandon.
Suspect's inside behind the door. I just unlocked it and he relocked it.
For about 90 minutes, officers attempted to communicate with Merical without success. They then approached the apartment with the intent of taking him into custody. Officers used a ram to breach the front door, but a couch had been placed behind it as a barricade preventing entry. An officer then broke a kitchen window and removed the blinds to eliminate a blind spot and reduce the risk to officers outside. When officers attempted to push the barricaded door open, Merical was standing on a couch armed with 2 knives. He tried to stab an officer.
Let me know. I'm going to go on to your left side.
I'm ready when you are.
Ready.
He's got a couch up against it.
He's closing it.
He's got a couch. There's a couch right up against the door.
I'm going to break that window.
Good, yeah.
Joseph!
No, there's a couch. Okay. There's literally a couch like a half a foot in from the door. Okay. So when you were hitting the door, you were hitting it into the couch and it was coming back. Yeah. In fact, I'm going to walk up and I'm going to...
You think I can push it?
Actually, he might be pushing on it. Hey, Joseph, you need to back away from the door. It's Fresno Police Department. Back away from the door.
Can you get a body right here to watch that window, please?
Pushing on it. Back away from the door.
The Fresno Police Department, back away now. Dog out! Dog out! Dog out!
Nice.
Officer number 2's body-worn camera shows Merical attempting to stab an officer as he tried to enter the apartment.
Back away from the door.
The Fresno Police Department, back away now.
Dog out. Dog out.
Officers backed away from the door, maintained security around the apartment, and requested additional resources, including the crisis negotiations team and SWAT. During communication attempts, Merical refused commands and said he was not going back to prison. Just before 8:15 p.m., Merical opened the front door and walked quickly down the stairs holding a knife in each hand. Officers gave multiple commands to stop. As Merical advanced toward officers positioned near the staircase in the carport area, 2 officers deployed less lethal rounds from launchers, which had no effect. 2 other officers then discharged their rifles at Merical.
Inside the apartment now. I'm going to take that up and speak directly to Blythe. Pick up that phone, it'll ring directly to my police officer.
Doors opening. Here it comes. Here it comes.
Suspect down! Suspect down! Whoa!
Stand by! Stand by!
The following is a portion of the previous video, paused and highlighted. It shows Merical holding 2 knives after he descended the stairs and before officers discharged their rifles.
Here it comes. Here it comes.
The following video shows Merical descending the stairs and running in the direction of officers at the carport. Officer number 4 deployed multiple less lethal foam projectile rounds before officers discharged their rifles.
Got boys.
Joseph! Here goes.
Move up! Move!
The 2 knives Merical was holding at the time of the shooting were approximately 8 inches in length. Both were recovered next to him.